we'll check out the wheel once we get it down. What's up, Silky Smooth gang? Back at you guys with another video. Yes, I know I've been slacking on the videos, but there's a good reason for that. So I've been reevaluating some stuff, and cause like my family channel got like 12,000 subscribers with a little bit of effort, and we've been putting a lot of effort into this channel over here. So I'm just looking at some things and seeing some things that we could switch up. But also, it's been super cold, and you guys know I'm still working on the Escalade, trying to get all the wrap off of it. I'll never wrap another one because it's taking off my clear coat, but we're not gonna get on that too much. Shop is a mess, heaters everywhere, tools everywhere, because we've been just, golly, just to the floor, pedal to the floor. Corvette's covered up. We still haven't done any more work on the 72 because of the weather. We need to get that one washed, but today, man, my wife, and it wasn't her fault, but it was so cold, she drove the Titan with a low tire, and then she hit a dip and it cracked the wheel. It's already been cracked before, but so right now I'm gonna get it taken off. We're gonna take it over to the shop, see if we can get it re-welded. That'll probably be it. We got some more things going on today. I'm looking super rough. We might go hit the barbershop up or something like that. But main objective is getting this off. We're gonna check the cracks and see what we got. And y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all right after this intro.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, now we got that out the way. I did put on the emergency brake. I locked it back. And then I also put a wheel chalk right there, because we are on a hill. I don't want the truck to roll, fall down on me or nothing like that. And we also got a jack stand out here. So this truck is pretty high. These are 28-inch wheels, so we're gonna get it, we gotta pick it up by the axle, and not super high. Actually, that's gonna be good right there. It's finally a nicer day out, so we can do something. And we might come up a little bit higher so we can get one more notch on that thing. Yeah guys, it's just been, and then I just got off of work, so I've been working 11 days straight, so looking super rough, man, but I gotta keep the videos coming for you guys. There we go. I already have the tools set up, so y'all don't have to wait on me. Let me sit y'all down. All right, pop my gloves on. We'll load this bad boy up in the Denali. Matter of fact, my buddy owed me a truck wash. I might get that cleaned up today. Come on now. God dang it. Well, thought it was gonna be quick. I hate when it does that. Dang. Don't y'all hate that? Man, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, that one's stuck in my socket. It's the right size. Let me go get something else. Alright, I found another 13/16. It's got two sizes on it, but we're gonna use the 13/16 side. And I always do that. Take my gloves out, get my hands dirty, and jump in the truck. Y'all jump in the comments. Who else does that? I do it all the time. I got my gloves out here and then I just start pulling them off. There we go. There we go. Actually, these are too short. I might go see if we can get some longer ones. There we go. So, I'm trying to remember where it was leaking at. Right there. So it broke where it was already welded. I'll pick y'all up, show y'all real quick. So it's right there. Y'all see that little hairline? It's not a big crack, it's just a little hairline. But these tires, I mean, air coming out slow, you still gonna be flat real quick. So I need two hands, guys, to roll it over there to the truck and get it loaded up. I was trying to do that without getting dirty. It just, it wasn't gonna work. So I got dirty, but oh well. That's why I put on work clothes. Not nice clothes, no jewelry, no nothing today, guys. All right, we loaded up, ready to go. Let me put my tools up. Expensive stuff, especially. Be nice to pull the vet out, guys. It's warming up today. Yeah, I can take this jacket off. Like I said, I ain't even been out the house yet, really. Not like that. Let me put the rest of my stuff up. We'll fire up the Denali and get ready to go. All right, guys, we ready to go. Oh. Let's get it moving. And I gotta go pick up kids, pick up the wifey. So yeah, I gotta get moving. It's hot now, guys. It is hot now. It's crazy. Let me get my phone situated. Put this one over here. Dang, man, it's always something. I gotta change the oil on this one. Dang. Oil light just came on. It says 7% last night. And we ain't even went nowhere. Alright, we're gonna head on out, guys. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when we get close to our destination. I gotta pay attention to the road. I'm driving with one hand. I always drive with one hand. But yeah, let me grab this car and we'll see y'all up there. Alright guys, had to go pick the wifey up and now we in lunch hour traffic, but we're pulling up to the rim shop. We're gonna get this thing dropped off. Hopefully they can have it done in a day or two and then we'll get the Titan back on the road. They do good work, but most of the time you're gonna have to unload your own tire. They don't come out and get it for you. So we'll see. Can I fit right here? Heck no. Let me just pull right here. I should have backed in. They do good work, but they don't never have no service. Like, I mean, they be so busy they don't have Like somebody to come up to your window, see what you want, see what you need, all that stuff. So let me jump out real quick and we'll get the tire unloaded. I got a cracked wheel. I need to get fixed.
You dropping it off right?
Yeah, I'm gonna drop it off. It's a 28 inch wheel. Okay. Y'all busy?
Every day.
I know it. Okay, and then I just give it to the guys or what?
You'll get it.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, we're gonna get it dropped off. We out. We're gonna go get something to eat. Hey, can you quit cracking rims? Guys, she don't like the camera. But yeah, man, guys, we are back on track, guys. We gotta start recording again. I gotta take this hot jacket off. We're gonna grab something to eat. And then,
Here's what I
I don't know what else. Shut up. Dang, Apple products. We're gonna grab something to eat, guys, and then we'll get back with y'all. Guys, we got super busy. We did go eat. Had to pick up the kilos. A lot of running around. So we're gonna just end it right here. I'll turn y'all back on when we get the wheel fixed, welded up, and we get it put back on the truck. So it's the next day, guys. We're getting ready to go pick up the rim and tire. They just called me. They said it's ready to go, so they got the crack fixed. It's 41 degrees right now, but the wind with the windshield is pretty cold. I don't know if we're gonna throw it on when we get back to the house, but we might, cause this sharing a car ain't gonna work. The rest of our cars, if y'all watch the channel, y'all know they're classics. We're not gonna be pulling those out and driving those around. So yeah. So we might just go ahead and throw the wheel on. I'll let y'all know in a little bit, and we'll turn y'all on when we get to the shop. Alright, I appreciate it, my guy. Got it back. Yes, sir. Thank you. All right, bro. All right. We'll check out the wheel once we get it down. My wife gotta go take my daughter somewhere. I can't share no vehicle, man. That's too much. Too much work. right there, guys. That's where they had to re-weld it. So we'll see. Hopefully she lives again. I gotta go, dang. I gotta grab an impact. And then I remember I told y'all I was gonna get these. I don't have time to get them, but we are gonna change them out. They just too short. They too stubby, man. I like the longer ones. So it's hard to bite on them with that socket. They so small. And we missing one. I got one in the door, but it's locked. So I'll put that one on. Yep, let me grab the impact, guys. Alright, got the impact, guys. I'm gonna turn it. Well, we'll leave it turned up. I just gotta get this thing on here. It's chilly. Chilly, and the sun finna go down. And I hate putting my legs under here, but I left the pry bar in there. Where we at? Alright. Let me get one lined up, guys, and we'll get them going. Should have brought my power bar out here. It's just hard to get on them like that. Start them by hand. Woo. A chilly, huh, brother? Mm-hmm. Then when we turn y'all off, I gotta go get the keys for this truck, and then we'll get the other lug nut, cause I'm missing one. That should be tight enough. I'll check it with the torque bar. Alright. Alright, guys, and there you go. We got the wheel welded up. We back up another daily car. Next video, we'll probably finish up the Escalade, guys, and get that one out. And then we'll be ready to move on to the 72 and get some stuff done in the garage. So, y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace and love.